In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unblock players here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you blocked someone in the past, and you just want to be friends again, here's what you're going to want to do. Go up to the top right corner and select your profile icon to bring up a page that looks like this, and scroll down on this option. And at the very bottom, and I have so many friends because I used to do sub streams, you're going to see an option for blocked on here. All you would need to go ahead and do is find whatever player you do have blocked, select unblock on them. It's the very first option, and just like that, they can add you back and play together again. You can unblock as many people as you want, and this is going to work on PC, console, mobile. It doesn't matter which device you're on, but that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.